Indian Constitution is a remarkable document that lays the foundation for the world's largest democracy. It begins with the powerful words, "We the people of India," asserting the nation's sovereignty. Dr. Rajendra Prasad served as the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly, while Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is celebrated as the chief architect. The Constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949, marking Constitution Day. Originally, it consisted of 22 parts, 395 articles, and 8 schedules, though these numbers have grown over time. The preamble, inspired by the American Constitution, clearly states the objectives of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. These early milestones set the stage for a dynamic and evolving legal framework that continues to guide India today. At the heart of the Indian Constitution are the fundamental rights, enshrined in Part III, covering Articles 12 to 35. These include equality before law, freedom of speech, and the right to life. Over the years, amendments have played a crucial role in shaping these rights. The 42nd Amendment in 1976 added socialist and secular to the preamble, reflecting changing values. The 44th Amendment removed property as a fundamental right in 1978. Other significant amendments include the 73rd and 74th, which empowered local governance through panchayats and municipalities. The Constitution also introduced fundamental duties, environmental protection, and special provisions for weaker sections. This ongoing process of amendment ensures the Constitution remains relevant and responsive to the needs of society. India's Constitution establishes a federal structure, drawing inspiration from Canada, Britain, and the United States. It defines the union of states, citizenship provisions, and the roles of president, vice president, prime minister, and parliament. The judiciary, with the Supreme Court at its apex, ensures justice and constitutional remedies. Emergency provisions, language policies, and schedules detail the functioning of the government and its institutions. The Constitution also outlines the process for amendments, requiring special majorities. Over time, new states and union territories have been created, and the governance framework has adapted to changing realities. This robust structure supports the functioning of a diverse and vibrant democracy, balancing central authority with regional autonomy. Post-independence, India's economy has evolved through planned development and reforms. The Constitution provided the basis for economic policies, including the 5-year plan's nationalization of banks and creation of key institutions like RBI, SEBI, and NITI-IA. Landmark reforms such as liberalization in 1991, GST implementation in 2017, and digital initiatives like UPI have transformed the economic landscape. Social welfare schemes, agricultural revolutions, and fiscal policies are rooted in constitutional principles. The dynamic interplay between law and economy ensures inclusive growth and adaptation to global challenges. Today, India stands as the world's 5th largest economy, with ambitious targets for exports, infrastructure, and social development, all guided by constitutional values. The Indian Constitution is not just a legal document, it is a living testament to the nation's aspirations. Its adaptability is evident in the numerous amendments, evolving governance structures, and the inclusion of new rights and duties. From the handwritten original by Nandalal Bose to its bilingual versions in Hindi and English, the Constitution reflects India's diversity. It has withstood challenges from emergencies to social changes and continues to inspire reform. The legacy of visionaries like Ambedkar, Prasad, and Nehru endures in its pages. As India moves forward, the Constitution remains the guiding light, ensuring justice, equality, and progress for all citizens.